Hello and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be helping you to find out your Gmail password if you ever forget it. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and visit your settings app. Then on the search settings box, simply tap on it and type Google. Now select Google System Settings. On top of your screen, you can see Manage your Google account option. Tap on it. Now slide the nav bar to the left until you see the option of Security. Under Security section, scroll down until you see the option of Password Manager. Tap on it. Now, if you have your Gmail password saved on this account, there'll be google.com under the search passwords box. So if you tap on it and enter your phone's password, you'll be able to see your Gmail's password. As you can see under the password box, there is password given, however it is not visible. So to make it visible, you simply tap on the eye icon that appears beside it. If you want to copy this password and paste it onto somewhere else, then simply tap on the copy icon that appears beside the eye icon, and then your password will be copied. And this is how you can see your Gmail password if you ever forget it. I hope this video was useful. If you have any confusions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.